As an apology to our vegan and vegetarian viewers for our last episode of Survival Cooking, tonight we're making Saag Tofu paneer.
This dish will be served with rice, so I'll start by prepping that first. I'll also be cubing the tofu and making some miso soup to serve as a substitute for the vegetable broth that I don't have. To make things easier, I'll just be making microwave rice. 1 cup rice, 2 cups water, cover with plastic wrap. I've got water on plastic. That goes in the microwave for 5 minutes on high, then 20 minutes on medium. Apricot, what are you doing? Now I'll just cube the tofu. Oh, shit, there's water. There's water, I forgot. Oh, it's everywhere. You're supposed to press this for 20 minutes beforehand, but I'm not going to do that. For the miso soup, I'm just mixing 1 cup of water with 1 tablespoon miso paste. Now we blend the spinach. There's a lot of other seasonings and stuff that are supposed to go into this step, but I don't have any of those, so, you know, it's not all going to go in one shot, is it? Apricot noir. Too much fucking spinach in it. This is where we actually start cooking. Stove on medium high. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I didn't think it was up to temp yet. So wet, they're not actually browning yet. They're halfway there. Okay, now we're going to add a teaspoon of turmeric and toss it just one more time. Sprinkle. That on low, and I'm going to add a bunch of stuff. 1 cup of broth, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon Asian chili paste, 2 teaspoons sugar, half a teaspoon salt. Now I simmer for 10 minutes and mix this around. Didn't you forget the coconut milk? That's not for another 10 minutes, shut up. I'm supposed to add 1/4 of a cup of milk, but they said you can have more to taste, but we're gonna go a whole cup of milk. And like I said before, we're substituting almond for coconut because I didn't buy coconut when I went grocery shopping. This is taking literally forever. I've moved most of the ingredients to the edges so that the excess water in the middle here can just kind of get heated by the hottest part of the pan at the center. Hopefully that'll help boil it off.
2,000 years later.
Probably fine. Yeah, it's looking like almost the right consistency. I don't want to be here all night, you know? Got our gourmet microwave rice. Rice right there. It came out about how I expected it to. Apricot, what are you doing on the table? Is that where your butt goes? That's not where your butt goes. He just goes to sleep. What a sassy boy. Off the table. Sit down, sit down. Don't bite me. I could have done a better job pureeing the spinach, but other than that, it's pretty good. Don't you think it's a little bit appropriative for you to be badly cooking Indian food? I wouldn't say appropriative. I appreciate the culture. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. What do you mean? Well, I just mean that Indian food is widely known for its complex and varied spice palette, and you've omitted half of the supporting ingredients from this dish. Well, you know, I don't really have a lot of those ingredients. I'll get them. Yeah, okay, you do that. Got a little bit of a splash of shit there.